Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create a 3D model from existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD part design tools like Extrude, Hole, Thickness, Mirror, and Fillet. This is the exercise for today. We convert this 2D drawing step by step into this 3D solid part. There are several ways or steps to create this 3D solid part. These are the steps and the tools that I used to create this 3D solid part. This is the drawing with the dimensions. In step 1, we sketch the top profile means position 1 on XY plane, and we create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XY plane. Activate the Slot tool and sketch the slot with radius of 36 mm. Sketch a vertical line. Delete unnecessary curve. Now, assign the dimension. Constrain the endpoints to the vertical line. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and extrude it by 45 mm. In step 2, we create a cylindrical part with a diameter of 36 mm on the top surface. We apply, also, the Fillet tool before we use the Thickness tool. Select the top surface and then activate the Sketch tool. Select the sketch and extrude it by 8 mm. Set the fillet radius to 5 mm. Now, we add a fillet with a radius of 8 mm to the outer edges. The next task is to give a thickness of 2 mm to the created solid part. Activate the Thickness tool and select the faces to remove and then set the thickness parameter. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe the video. In step 3, we create the cylindrical part with the hole with the help of both Extrude and Hole tools. Create a plane 60 mm parallel to the XY plane. Select the new plane and then activate the Sketch tool. Create a circle with a radius of 12 mm. The distance to the origin is 68 mm. Click Close to exit the fully constrained sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool. In the dialog window, select the option Up to Face and then select the face. Now, we create the hole with a diameter of 16 mm. Select the top surface of the cylinder and then activate the Hole tool. Set the diameter to 16 mm and for the depth, select the option Through Hole. In step 4, we sketch position 4 on XY plane and we create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. Activate the View Section tool and extract the reference edges and curves. Select the hole geometries and make an offset of 8 mm. Select the sketch and extrude it by 5 mm. Activate the Sketch tool and select again the XY plane. Extract the reference edge. Create roughly the shape of the profile and put the dimensions later. Add a fillet to the corners. Extrude the sketch by 5 mm. Select the last pad and then activate the mirror tool. Select the option XZ plane. In step 5, we sketch the rib profile on YZ plane and we create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. First, we create a plane 34 mm parallel to the origin. Select the plane and then activate the sketch tool. Hide the plane. Extract the reference edges and curves. Create a line tangential to the extracted curve. Remove unnecessary edges with the trim tool. Create a curve to complete the sketch. As you can see, our sketch is full constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then select the option Symmetric. Now, we mirror the created rib about XZ plane. The last task is creating a fillet on the edges. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.